hello from another staycation in Emirates. I am in Ras Al Khaimah in Marjan Island in front of Hampton by Hilton. It is 4-star hotel and yeah, it's part of the Hilton brand. Let's go inside and I'm going to check in. It is a beachfront hotel, so yeah, hopefully it's going to be good. Here is the lobby slash reception. We arrived a little bit late, but it's fine. I will check everything later on, probably tomorrow, and I will show you everything during the day. I'm already in a room. It is room 829 and it's seafront room, so let's check it. Starting here straight away, bathroom. We have a shower. It is big enough, I like it. Amenities. Nice. Beautiful. We don't have any glasses here, but it's fine, I guess. And the toilet. Lots of space. A nice mirror. Oh, it's actually moving like this. Plenty of hangers. Yeah. Safe. A fridge. Empty. We have complimentary water, tea, coffee, milk. And this is the room. Pretty big bed. It's too low for me, but it's fine. I will survive, hopefully. I love the decoration. We have a smart TV here and a working space over there. This can be turned to the bed, so actually this room can accommodate up to 3 adults. Let's check the view. It's night already. I think you can hear some music from downstairs. There is a bar. The view is stunning. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's my first time staying here in Marjan Island. I was here before just visiting, but I like it. It's not that far away from Dubai, especially if you are not stuck in traffic. But yeah, it's around 1 hour and 10 minutes, so it's really doable. Let's see the rest of the hotel. I have a dinner pretty soon, so I'm going to change and go to the dinner. Ready for the dinner. We are going to Karma Cafe. It is kind of like a sushi restaurant, so let's go inside and try it. Thank you. We decided to sit outside because it's still not that hot here and you can sit outside. They got a ladies' night menu. I didn't know there is something like that. Yeah, and if you are in guest house, you can get some discounts, so it's really good. Okay, I forgot to record this. I was so hungry. I went for a set menu for a ladies' night. This is salted caramel cocktail and it's so good. Rad, he got some sushi with truffles.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
It's lovely. Very good. But the drink is even better.
What do you got? Is
Some
it
smoked whiskey with a cacao liqueur, burnt orange, and some cinnamon bites or something like that. Very good.
Enjoy! This is my main course, calamari noodles, and Rad he got another sushi. Is it tuna or what is that?
That was the jalapeno something. Prawns jalapeno.
Okay,
All together.
good. Let's try it. The light one.
After I eat this, you
I'm going to check the pool outside, but I found this working space here. It's really cute, nice. It's so nice. It's actually really busy. So many people. It's like proper holiday hotel. They actually do also all inclusive if you fancy that. It's unusual for Hilton hotels, but yes, they do it here. You can do some adventure sports. We have one big pool here. There is a bar over there. It's open till 10 o'clock actually. Every evening they do have entertainment. Playground for kids. Plenty of sunbeds, kids pool. It's really nice, yeah, but as I said, it's too busy. And just my opinion, just for me, I probably prefer like a quiet hotel, but it's so nice and it's not that expensive. So if you are looking either escape from Dubai or some proper holiday hotel where you can maybe have even all inclusive, come here. I am leaving Hampton by Hilton Hotel here in Marjan Island. It was actually a really good stay for me. This hotel is so busy. So yeah, it's not my type of holiday, but I think you can enjoy that. There is lots of activities. If you are here like for a holiday and you like all inclusive or something like that, and you like to have entertainment during the whole day, it's definitely for you. Price wise, we paid 75 pounds for a room with the breakfast, so yeah, not too bad actually. I'm not sure about all inclusive. I found some prices, but it depends on a month. So yeah, it might be around like 120 up to 200 pounds for all inclusive. But yeah, that's it from today, and hopefully see you next time with another review. Bye bye.